Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs, and today I wanted to show you how I use some wooden bunting to make this personalised happy birthday decoration. It was easy to add my tech wrap vinyl to this wooden bunting with no problems at all, so let's get going and I'll show you how I made it. So here is an example of the wooden bunting. I got this from Amazon. And first of all, you need to get the sizing for your program, whether you use Silhouette Studio or Cricut Design Space. And it's a matter of scanning in the size and then deciding on the vinyl border that you would like. Then I've added this into Silhouette Studio and just adjusted the size to match my bunting. I'm going to be using a silver hollow vinyl, so I wanted to also paint the background of each entire piece of the bunting, just to give it a bit nicer colour and to fit in well with the silver hollow. And you can see here I'm using my Aurora 3-in-1 silver metallic paint for this, and it also just gives a good base for the vinyl. So my vinyl choices for this project are the red violet glossy, the turquoise glossy and a silver hollow. And I popped that in my Cameo, and then this is to cut out the background for each piece of the bunting. And you can see with the silver hollow that comes off nicely. Then the red violet I used for the words happy. And for the birthday, which you can see here I've spelt wrong, but I realised that later, I've used the turquoise glossy. And everything comes off nicely because the letters are quite large. It's nice and easy to weed. I didn't even use any transfer tape, just peeled off these larger stars, and there's going to be a star at the beginning and the end of each of the words for happy birthday. So they're really great colours that complement each other, the turquoise and the red violet. Super easy to put on and apply. And now I just went through on each individual bunting and put the silver background on. Then it was the fun job of using my transfer tape to apply each letter to each individual piece of bunting. So you can see here I'm using my transfer tape and my squidgy, and although this is sped up, it's an easy process. It just takes a little bit of time. Just have to have a little bit of patience, but because these letters are big, they come off easily and apply so nicely to the silver hollow. I'm using my weeding pen there, as you can see, whenever I need it. And that is the happy part done. And now I'm on to the birthday word. So it's the same process with the transfer tape, an easy process to pop that onto the silver background on each piece of the bunting. And we're almost done. And this is how they've turned out with the happy. I put the turquoise stars with the red violet and vice versa for the birthday. Then the next thing you need to do is grab yourself some cord, small enough to fit through the holes. They're quite small, and it's just a matter of threading each letter as you need to, making sure you're getting the spelling okay. And it's a little bit of a fiddly process, but it doesn't take that long to do. Not too bad. So that's everything put together now. You just need to tie a couple of loops at the end for hanging up on your wall, and this is the finished product. And I love how the silver hollow also gives it that added dimension, and just painting the extra background with the silver as well makes it turn out really cool. So thanks so much for watching, and if you've got any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye.